Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host, for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. And as you can see, this is not the typical morning coffee and crochet. First of all, I have my trusty Diet Coke, and I'm in a car. I am currently waiting for my husband and my dog to finish taking their sabbatical walk. And we are parked on the side of the road. It's beautiful here. I am almost finished with the wasp nest, the second wasp nest that I was doing. I've been working on my grandson's blanket, and that's about it. I don't really have a whole lot of news. Nothing really crochet-wise to talk about, except that I passed Hobby Lobby 3 times in the last 2 days, and I didn't go in one time, which I think is a miracle. It's a miracle, truly. Honestly, I'm just trying to save money at this point. So anyway, so I hope that you guys are doing well. I hope that you are having a great Wednesday. It is the downhill slide to Friday. Obviously, I'm always sleepy. I don't know why I even pretend like it's something new. I'm just always tired. I'm always tired and I'm always sleepy. I struggle with that. No matter how much sleep I get, it seems like it's never enough, but c'est la vie. So anyway, I hope that your area is staying safe with COVID and with everything else. I've kind of unplugged a little bit, so I haven't been keeping up with the news, and I haven't been keeping up with even Facebook news. You know how Facebook news is. You get almost all your news from there. All the news you don't want to hear from there. So, and a lot of angry political rants and other things. So anyway, I've been staying off of social media and just trying to stay quiet. No television, no radio. It's been kind of a silent retreat, so to speak, of other than, my husband is with me, so we do talk to one another. We do. But other than that, my dog, she hasn't learned to talk back yet. She's had several new experiences lately that she's not quite sure about, like trying to go potty while she's attached to a leash. She's used to that yard. And I know you've seen her run around in our yard. So she's used to the yard, and she's 7.5 years old, and she has been on a leash, and she knows how to walk on a leash. But just to go from place to place, not to, go potty or go for long walks, because we've never had to go for long walks. She's had a yard. So that's been fun. But anyway, that's just a little bit of personal news from me. Like I said, I've unplugged, I've retreated from a lot of things, and so just to refresh myself and rejuvenate, and to do some healing, and to slow down some anxiety that was getting super high. So I was trying to do that, and for the most part it's been working, and so I'm glad about that. I've been crocheting a lot. I just don't really have a whole lot to show for it. Like I said, I have that blanket, and I don't have it with me, which, shame on me. How dare I travel in a car even 5 minutes away without without my crochet work. But anyway, I hope that you all are staying well, and I will touch base with you again very, very soon. I am hoping that I have a tutorial for a really pretty stitch that I found, and I hope that I can give that to you very soon. I'm still working on the timeless baby blanket and the timeless shawl. And so anyway, just, hanging in there, and I hope that you are too. And I hope that you stay safe and be kind and get hooking. Bye, everybody.